Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special build for you. Actually, it's a one-of-a-kind build, a continuation Shelby that will be introduced to you by Dennis Peck. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Dennis Peck. I'm a Shelby and Superperformance dealer. Been a dealer for 14 years. Pleased to show you one of our latest additions here this morning. This is a Shelby CSX 8000. It's a continuation of the original 289 Cobras that were brought to market in 1962. Now this particular car is not your normal 289 or your normal CSX 8000. We call it a bespoke car, and it's bespoke because the owner of this car wanted several additions to the car that are not in a normal Cobra. So he wanted the car fuel injected, and he also wanted the car air conditioned. So this is best we can tell, the only car with electronic fuel injection, with an electronic 4-speed transmission and air conditioning, and oh, by the way, not just your normal automatic transmission. It can either be actuated by push buttons, it can be as paddle shift, and last but not least, it can be fully automatic. And as we look at this thing, we can also see another addition that we made. He added a console to the car. So the console serves several. One, it's convenient and rest your elbow here. Two, it gives you some additional storage.
Okay.
Three, he designed these cups so that the cup could hold his, the cell phone could be placed in any of these cups. This is our cell phone holder. And last but not least, it can have this very powerful Wi-Fi speaker system in it that can not only has great sound from Bose, but also has the ability to do wireless hand-free dialing. And it can fit wherever you'd like to place it. He added all that so that he could enjoy the car. So we can take a little bit to look at more detail. It has a 302 engine, which is just a derivative of the original 289s that was in the original Cobra. This one happens to make about 380 horsepower. It's 302 cubic inches. It's had some port matching on the exhaust, so it's picked up a few horsepower here. And with the fuel injection, it makes now 380 horsepower, and that's at the flywheel. That's not at the rear wheels, but there's plenty of power for this little light car.
This is one unique car, and this is one of one.
One of one. Glad you could visit us this Saturday morning.
Always a pleasure.